Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick video. Doing a video test on my Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. 4K vid. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Just had the window rolled down, just rolled it up. It's beautiful out, but it's cold. It snowed last night. Now we have some ice on the roads. Got to be careful. I don't need to go slipping and sliding. Just left Les Schwab. My tires were low, so I got them pumped up, got some air in them. Be safe out on these slippery roads. Got more snow coming in tonight, and then we're supposed to clear up for about 3 or 4 days, so we'll see what happens, man. We've been getting a wintry mix of sleet, ice, snow, rain. Just it's been crazy ever since we got into February here, and this can go on all the way into the second week of March or longer, who knows. 4K vid, Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. 33 degrees, 9:04 in the AM. I wasn't going to mention Mobile World Congress, but I'm going to mention it anyway, since I got you here watching this video. Mobile World Congress, MWC. Are you paying attention to what's going on over there? A lot of smartphones being released from a lot of different companies, whether it's from Sony, whether it's from LG, Alcatel, ZTE, Nokia, and a lot more. Let me know what you're intrigued with. Let me know what's got your attention that's going on over at Mobile World Congress. Yeah, I'm not going to talk any specifics here. You let me know. You let me know. Outside of what's going on with Samsung recently releasing the Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10, and S10 Plus. I got Sony on my mind. Yeah, well, I know they're changing their XA series to the Sony Xperia 10, the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. So no longer the XA and the XA Ultra, and they got a device that's going to be their flagship, Sony Xperia 1. Now I said I wasn't going to talk about specifics, and I went ahead and did it anyway. Yeah, Sony Xperia 1 should be a spendy device. First smartphone with a 4K OLED display, 21:9 aspect ratio, as is the 10 and the 10 Plus. All right, I'm not going to talk any more about any smartphones, any more specifics, any more specs. You leave some info down below and let me know how this video looks. Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium, 4K vid, 4K. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless. I am out.